Hello everyone, welcome to my new video related to Solana. Today is 26th of August. We're going to take care about price analysis, technical details, and news of the market in terms of the Solana cryptocurrency. The crypto global market cap is on minus 1.69% today. We are running through a decrease for the whole space. Yet Solana, which sits on rank number 9 on CoinMarketCap, is having a minus 4.22 on the past 24 hours. This is much more than what the others are doing in the top 10. Actually, amongst the top 10, Solana has decreased the most, which is obviously not really welcomed by the community. However, when things are moving in the right direction of the pump, then obviously Solana used to dominate percentage-wise. So it's nothing to be fearful about. We know that it is a cryptocurrency that is highly volatile. So let's go forward on the 15-minute charts as usually and take care about the markets. This is where we are. A very interesting situation here, and unfortunately, because of Bitcoin and Ethereum that has been dumping over the past 24 hours, Solana decreased its forces as well. We did have the upper triangle resistance line. It is a trending line. It's pretty forceful and it's really aggressive. At the end of the day, from what we can see, it plays a very important role in the selling pressure generated on the market. As well, there are certain levels here which are very important from the horizontal standpoint, considering that there are zones as well. For example, this zone right here, which is in between 35 and 7 up to $36. That's a strong resistance zone. It is a price point which will definitely act as a resistance zone sooner or later, and we will need to play accordingly. Below that, we have a single price point located somewhere around $35.20, and you can see this blue line right there. So this is also a significant price point, and we've been facing resistance from it at the right time, and then we've got dumped, making this new low over here, which also broke below the trending support line that we used to establish in the past. So that wasn't the best sign out there for Solana. Yet every single context here is representing a stage of accumulation. It is a great chance for longing the markets at this times in order to consider for the upper side. There's a lot of the room until we get in touch with the resistance, yet we're extremely close to our supports. We're actually trying to stay above the support zone, as you can see over there, between 34 and 15 and 34 and 37. So there's this two representation of support zones located that's slightly below us. It's this one, right? So whenever we have touched this thing in the past, we've been reacting very well. It is also the ultimate located on 33.75 down here, but that's basically not the level we're supposed to rely on. The current zone that we're slightly above at the moment is basically the one that should give us the enough force to react. So right now our job is to see the reaction, and then we gotta measure the reaction. We are expecting bullish pressure here, but we cannot forget the fact that we have lost the trending support line, and now we're going to have to deal with this price point as resistance. If the force comes from Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana is going to be automatically picked up like a snowball effect, and it will be driven basically easily above 35 and 23 cents. Which is the median blue line that you can see the horizontal structure representation. It will be very easily driven above all these resistances, probably having to deal with the 35 and 77. Yet there is no choice, folks. Sooner or later, we're going to break out of the resistance line at the top that you see with a green color, right? We're going to break out of this green line. And then the spike will be directly $41 easily. So no question asked. This is, an 18% from the current price point. Meanwhile, on the lower side of the charts, there's not much to go. That's pretty much all for today on Solana. hit the like, subscribe, and I wanted to share with you some more informations. For those of you which value education and think that in life you can achieve success by working hard and getting yourself educated and skilled in a field, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my page describing how the coaching that is one-to-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks, intense and private, is working, is functioning. You can find out more on the page, and you can also have a free conversation with me at 15 minutes. As well, register now for more information, and I'll get back to you on your email. On the other side, if you want to follow my trades, if you want to be part of the movements, what do I trade for myself? We can trade for you as well. Through API, no upfront fees. It's just commission out of the pure profits we make. That's all. Simple commission after profits are made. This is all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have instructions on how you can join and how the commissions are working. So this is pretty much all, folks. This page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Both links can be found in the description area and comments area. That's all, folks. Have a good time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the day.